All right, happy homeowners. 2 hours later, and we have got a lot of stuff done. It's looking great. Turn this around one more time. Show you this beautiful, classic, beautiful classic. Look at that. Just, man, we don't normally work in the South Pasadena area, San Marino, but we knew how beautiful this was going to be. So it's been 2 hours. We've got it sanded several times, and we're working on a sample. But man, look at the previous, watch the previous video, to where now you can tell this is oak. And looking at these samples, not sure which one we're going to use. But just wanted you to see the difference a couple of hours can make with this bad boy.